So, guys, a bad start to the new year for me, especially. Anyways, not a big loss. Though I'm thinking to follow this habit of posting daily videos on my daily trades. I mean, whenever I end up trading. So, the first trade that I took today was LIC Housing Finance, wherein I was uh, basically going against the trend. I'll show you the chart. Took entry somewhere here on a 3 minute time frame. Yeah, so in the morning it ran up like anything, right? It reached like 558 from 538, almost like 4% movement was there. So when it was consolidating here, then I thought like I'll just took a contra trend trade. So basically I shorted this here and I put my stop loss like somewhere around here, 558k around. Then as you can see, it never came down, like it reached 553.5, but it did never broke the 550 levels, right? Like once it would have broken the 550 levels, then I would have expected a heavy fall from here, but it never broke that level, and then hence kept on increasing, and it's like 7% up today. LIC Housing Finance. So yeah, this contra trade didn't work out against the trend. I don't recommend you guys, if you are new to trading, to go against the trend. KPI Green. This is a stock which just goes on increasing and increasing and increasing. Today only I was checking its weekly chart. It listed in somewhere in July 2021, but this is like a perfect weekly chart, right? In 2.5 years, it has swelled from 28 rupees to 1450 rupees. Anyway, not relevant for trading. Let's come to the point. I'll show you the daily candle. So this stock was consolidating, and I had expected that after this consolidation, since it had given this breakout, it would retest this resistance levels, right? 1400, 1410, it should retouch. So that's why I shorted it. If you see this, sorry, a bit sick. Yeah. So when it showed a huge fall in the morning and then retraced a bit, and then when it was again going past this level, somewhere around here, 1443 levels, I shorted it, and I had um, put my targets somewhere around 1400, but it never reached 1400 levels. As you can see, it hit my stop loss, which was above 41450, which is a whole number, तो थोड़ा सा resistance होता है वहाँ पर. So I had put like around 1451k around, so it had hit my stop loss, this particular candle, and then it again went down, but never reached the 1400 levels. So this was again a loss making trade as well. And then this Delta Corp was a good capture. I had actually recovered all my losses in Delta Corp, but I didn't book the profits. But anyway, so this was the chart. Yeah. So after this sharp up move from this 147.4 to 153.7 levels, it had started consolidating. It was creating lower highs and lower lows, right, till this level. I had taken an entry somewhere around 151, somewhere around here, because I thought it had just created a upper high, right, a higher high and a higher low. This is where I took my entry, and I put my stop loss somewhere around here, 150k around. So this gave me a very good sharp up move. Had like almost recovered my entire losses for today, but didn't book it here. I was expecting it to reach 158 levels, but सही है, like market जितना देता है ले लेना चाहिए. Like we shouldn't be greedy. There should be a proper uh, trade profit management system instead of just hoping for your targets to get achieved, right? So that was my fault. Anyway, I booked my profit here, so yeah, it worked out well.